So विजुअल देख के आपको लग रहा होगा ये चाट मसाला है, लेकिन
Hey, this is not Chai Masala. This is Untitled Podcast.
This is Untitled Podcast. We have thought of a couple of names. One of them was a bunch of pricks. We are a bunch of pricks because I'm not going to explain it.
I said रात गई तो बात गई.
I like it. It's like all of our podcast takes so far. रात जाती है, बात चली जाती है, हम अपलोड ही नहीं करते.
Yeah.
That is quite fitting for us. पिछले कितने 4 महीने हो गए कि एक्टर्स को, तो 5 महीने से हम एक पॉडकास्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. पहले हमें कोई जानता नहीं था, अभी हमें उसमें सिर्फ 200 लोग का फर्क पड़ा है इस पूरी चीज़ में, लेकिन अभी हमें थोड़े लोग जानते हैं, तो हमने बोला इट्स गुड टाइम टू गेट इनटू दिस.
So this will technically be our first podcast जो हम upload करते हैं ना. Okay, तो
let's hope this is our first podcast.
Okay, so let's start with an intro. Like you know, जैसे जब पहला podcast करते थे, introduce who they are and क्या होगा ये.
Yeah, fair enough.
So me myself, I am Huzaifa Murtaza Fazal Masala. You can also find me on what's the Chat Masala. You go.
Yeah, my name is Samir.
Now you go.
Good.
My name is Samir Alam. You can also find me on Chai Masala or Bunch of Pricks. Right now, I prefer Bunch of Pricks.
This is also my second podcast. I do another thing. My name is Shaurabh Wasim Ahmed. You guys probably know me already. If not because of the content I create, probably you've seen some of my photos, or you've seen Danish Ali videos.
Oh my God! You know Pradhanjali?
You know. Or you wear his t-shirt.
Is that?
Or you wear some of the very cool designs that I have designed over the years.
Wait,
you all don't.
Not this one, right?
No, not this one. This is not mine. This is just somebody else.
But still, why not buy even if it is somebody else?
Yeah. Bye.
Bus your mic is inside.
To all the audio listeners, if you've been hearing for the last 10 seconds.
Bus is heartbeat.
That's my heartbeat when I look at you.
To all the audio
Then look
listeners
at
also.
It stopped, bro.
Oh, I killed him, boss.
To all the audio listeners, if you think his heartbeat is stage also, it's because Huzaifa has a fucking rubber band gun pointed at us at all time. He's been pointing at it for the both of us.
Abdullah Quraish Abdullah taught me how to make this, and it doesn't hurt. But everybody here is
To
scared
all
of
the
it.
audio listeners, Huzaifa just shot himself in the face.
Everybody's like scared of it. So I'm just keeping it ready in case I would need
That's the
it.
childhood trauma that really scares shit out of you.
Oh yeah.
Dude, balloon से तुम्हें डर लगता है? Balloon popping. It scares me so much. मैं सही से फुला ही नहीं पाता balloon. Okay, so I'm halfway there and I'm like, okay, अब तो फटेगा पीछे से, लेकिन बोलते हैं नहीं थोड़ा और फुलाओ, ये कितना छोटा है. तो मैं थोड़ा और फुलाता हूँ. And it feels like it's on the brink of explosion. And so I'm thinking, okay, मैं और फुलाऊं, मैं नहीं फुला सकता because if अगर फट गया तो फिर क्या होगा? एक बार फट गया, nothing happened, fear gone.
तो तुम ये कह रहे हो you blow into a small thing and you're afraid it will explode.
I blow into a small thing, but I'm afraid it will get so big
That will
That will explode.
on your relatives.
On your face.
on my face. Why my relative?
No,
Why
no,
my
when you said कि, oh, people in the back are like, all pulla, imagine family birthday party.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, speaking of loud noises, this is a comment I recently saw that Shah Rukh made. Shah Rukh hates fireworks, and I shared the sentiment.
Yeah.
And I feel like you might be the only 2 people who hate
I kind of
fireworks.
really like fire, but okay. तुम लोग पहले मुझे और बाकियों को गालियाँ दे दो, and then I'll explain my stupid reasoning.
It is stupid as fuck, whatever the fuck it is. We are not the only inhabitants of this planet. Fuck you all if you think you're the only ones that deserve to live.
Colorful.
Fuck you. Big. Fuck you.
Explosion.
Fuck you.
Beautiful. Yeah, but-
Fuck you.
Wedding.
This is actually how I feel. Fuck you.
Yeah. Like, I agree with Shah Rukh in the sense that it is loud noises, it is terribly worrisome for any other creature other than humans who can't process what's happening. Because you're like, for any other animal, I assume the perspective is the world's ending, what the fuck.
Yeah. I mean, and also अगर तेरे को बहुत शौक है ऐसे हवा में ऐसे लाइट वाइट देखने का, तो वो साइलेंट वाले भी आते हैं, 200 रुपए और खर्च वो खरीद ले बेंचो.
I don't buy fireworks in general. Why?
I'm just talking to the crowd. Like,
Now my reasoning for liking fireworks. I totally agree with we are not the only people on the planet. तो हमें ऐसे बस फोड़ने नहीं चाहिए. सब पूरी रात को होता है, पूरी दुनिया झाग जाती है. That's not cool. I understand. The reason I like fireworks though, and why I don't care. No, I care. But the reason
said पूरी दुनिया जा जाती है. You think if you explode one fire, people in Australia will wake up?
you know what चुप कर.
Why is pointing the gun at me? Why did
This
that?
is a new bit that's been going in the office. Huzaifa really just tries to threaten us by trying to harm himself.
It's
Right
just
now
when
he has a rubber band.
He speaks and I'm like, बोलना बंद कर.
But yeah, you were saying, sorry. go
Yeah,
on,
so
continue.
the
Quite
reason.
toxic behavior out there.
Yeah, very. But like obviously, I'm not actually gonna do anything.
You give your other toxic opinion first.
Oh yeah. So so fireworks मुझे पता हाँ. So मुझे fireworks पता है because I'm bored, right? तो मौला की जब भी बर्थडे आती है ना तो they do fireworks in masjid and मैं बचपन से मस्जिद जा रहा हूँ to see those fireworks and okay the silent fireworks you were talking about they have those but they also have the extremely loud fireworks जिससे सब जाग जाते हैं and I get it I understand सब जाग जाते हैं but when you're 7 and 8 and it's Maula's birthday you better be rocking.
We're not talking about सब जाग जाता है. We're talking about
लोग
animals.
लन से
हाँ, सब and animals.
Fuck
सब
humans.
सब includes animals.
Yeah, but
रात को
like-
जानवर भी तो सो रहे
Yeah.
होते हैं.
नहीं, जागने का मसला नहीं है.
No, I know it disturbs them. I agree.
No,
that-
it sends like panic in their brain. They don't know what's going on, and they're like, "What is the world is happening?" So they just get scared like all hell.
Okay, so I do genuinely like fireworks. So I think a great compromise here would be those silent fireworks you
Yeah.
talked about, and we can meet in the middle, and then everything is okay. No loud fireworks ever.
Nothing against the visual. Like तेरे
Yeah.
को चाहिए बिजली के आसमान में तू कर bro. Like fuck that shit.
वैसे
but
वो फुट वाले होते हैं silent वाले.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh fuck then why do people buy that?
those ones only ना. Like उसके चाइना बम silent का फायदा क्या?
No,
तू-
China-
What are you saying then?
साइलेंट नहीं I meant कि वो जो स्पार्क्स वाले होते हैं ना वो साइलेंट होता है तो I didn't know कि वो जो ऊपर जाके फुर होके कलर स्प्रेड होता है वो भी साइलेंट में आते हैं.
नहीं आते हैं.
That's cool. But yeah, silent fireworks do that. Today I learned a lesson.
That is a far away thing because you are also still aerial firing. So
Even with fireworks? But like अगर ऊपर
aerial
जाके
firing, like generally gun लोग को दिक्कत.
Like, yeah, like people get on the roof.
okay.
Oh, I hate
Yeah,
those.
I hate that. That too
That
fucking
too.
sucks. इतने gun. Remember, sometimes there's no event. We're just on our roof and सामने की छतों से 10-15 bullets बस उड़ते हुए ऊपर. I don't get why. There is no event. I see no wedding.
Yeah, so I was saying that recently I got new neighbors, and then my old neighbors moved out, new neighbors came in, and I just came back in summer, so I didn't get a chance to meet them. I don't know them at all. I also don't want to meet them, one of them. But like at New Year's, I remember. So पहले ये घर वाले didn't shoot anything. मसला था. We'd hear firing थोड़ा आगे से. These fucking assholes, they're just firing every gun known to man. They start with a shotgun, they start machine gun, shotgun
What the
again,
fuck?
and pistol again. And I'm like, I literally went out and I could like hear some shells getting falling onto like our like Bawi Gali. And I'm like, bro, that's just uncool.
इतना ammo क्यों isn't ammo like expensive?
Yeah, but like I know we decided कि हम इसमें इतना कस आउट नहीं करेंगे लेकिन पहला टॉपिक ही ऐसा निकल गया. I just want to say एक तो तू
Fuck.
गांडू. ऊपर से you have no pretty visual. Like if you're firing a gun, what did you really do, man? Just था मुंह से कर ले bro.
था.
वो बारह फाड़ ले. We just talked about it.
बोले
वो बारह फाड़ ले. Same thing.
Bullets are worse than fireworks because trajectory. So when you shoot, then trajectory and
Now you can also report these people because it is officially
It's illegal, right?
It's
Yeah.
disturbance.
yeah,
and
yeah.
somebody will go fucking catch
Yeah,
them.
that's the main thing.
then they will catch them and then they will get 500 rupees and leave them.
Yeah.
I think 500 is too much for this.
Really?
You can get away with murder for 500. I think yeah, 100-200.
I can?
All the audio listeners, Huzaifa is pointing gun at me again.
If not for noise pollution, you would have been a goner.
अच्छा what's going on in your life guys right now? तुम लोग क्रिकेट देखते हो तुम लोग?
Yuck.
क्रिकेट पसंद है तुम लोग?
नहीं. We got a
सीजन है तो सोचा सवाल पूछ
fuck
लो.
that shit. We got a new job where we have for
You were client.
It is in regards to PSL, that's all we can say.
yeah basically and we're basically helping a company out but the thing is now we have to watch all the matches and I don't fucking know anything about cricket and he doesn't know fucking anything about cricket. They are the only two people who know things about cricket. So
He's pointing at me and Abdullah Quresh who is behind the camera.
So like
Don't
fucking
काम bro, focus में नहीं होगा.
like fucking watching these matches is pure torture. Like give me like a cricket anime, you know, something like Haikyuu or Diamond Noise. Give me like a Diamond Noise cricket anime.
Oh my god, audio listener, Huzaifa just shot Shahrukh Khan to me.
Can I have my rubber band?
और मुझे दे दे यार.
Hey!
But yeah, we're sort of in this conundrum now where we love what we do, but we hate what we're doing it for.
Actually, I think Uzaifa's also like taken like the worst pass at explaining what we're doing. It's just a client that we are doing this work for.
So
we
what
are
I say?
working on a new job. We have gotten this work. We are trying to help a company. This is not any of those.
Oh yeah, we're getting paid for it, not like
Yeah.
not like free work.
Please don't DM us for free shit.
Yeah,
We are
yeah,
not doing.
we're getting paid. When like helping a company out, like give them money, we'll help you. Like not
Yeah.
like yeah, oh you need a buddy. No.
अच्छा सही है. Also go check out goonj.gng ताकि तुम लोग को पता चल जाए exactly क्या क्या काम हम करते हैं. ये एक ही बीट पे 2 मंजन. Thanks.
Manjan.
और सुनाओ जिंदगी में और क्या है?
Manjan.
जिससे कल बर्थडे ये काम पे आएगा.
Oh, yeah,
कल
yo.
2 PSL के मैच हैं. Wait. I thought कि we could stay with the topic because अभी तक नाम confirm नहीं है ना. Right now we have 2 name options.
Yeah.
One is a bunch of pricks and the other is
रात गई.
I say you say दाल में कुछ काला है and then I'll come up with something better and the audience can hate you.
दाल में कुछ काला है.
इतना घटिया ना मसूर. Just let's call it मसूर. मसूर का
And people ask, मसूर क्यों लिखा है? मसूर की दाल थोड़ी है? हाँ.
That's my whole explanation. No, but okay, do you have an actual good name?
Yeah, दाल
जितने
में कुछ
लोगों ने
काला
भी
है.
मसूर की दाल के
That's
बारे में
fucking
सुना
mine.
होगा, we can claim them as our listeners then.
Oh.
True. Plus दाल में कुछ काला है is
पाकिस्तान
probably
चलता है,
like a
no,
popular
man.
hashtag.
Yeah, we can do दाल में कुछ काला है.
Oh, my dad used to say मसूर की दाल सर मारे घर से बाहर.
Your dad also using Anthony Gonzalez.
मैं दुनिया में अकेला हूँ.
That's a song.
I know, but he changed. What?
Yeah, what other names
Bunch
do you
of
think of? We
bricks.
can.
Okay, bunch of bricks or रात गई बात गई.
Great guys.
Yeah, I like bunch of bricks. I also like Raat Gayi Baat Gayi. But Raat Gayi Baat Gayi kind of gives us the, like, I don't know, it gives us like some non-bachchot credibility. Like, you know, like, oh, these guys might actually talk about something profound, you know?
Oh, let's do.
It actually
Okay,
sounds like an excuse
fuck
to
that.
talk about problematic shit and then not be about
Round table.
Let's talk about like what philosophical.
फलसफे रख देना.
Round table
Falsafa.
Falsafiana.
फिलोसफी होता है उर्दू.
Round table session.
But then we only talk philosophy.
That's taken, that's taken.
हमारे ऑडियंस इसका नाम रखे हैं.
लेकिन एकदम जोर की गोली लगेगी अगर एक कमेंट ही नहीं है उनके लिए और हम 100 एपिसोड तक अननेम्ड ही रहे.
लेकिन हमारे पास एक फैन है असद शाह, वो बहुत हमेशा शाह कर देगा. हम काफी मैंने नोटिस किया है.
So,
Can we keep it the name Round Table Conference? You think that's
Oh,
copyrighted?
you want to do round table conference?
नहीं,
Why not?
फलसफे सही है.
No, but we can't talk philosophy.
No, but is that my question is, will Round Table Conference be copyrighted somehow? It's a historical setting.
Okay,
It's
round
not a-
table, round table conference. I don't think you can
the
copyright
British
that.
will sue us. Like, नहीं bro, ये हमारा concept था.
Colonize me again, daddy.
Abdullah Quraish Abdullah out of screen and just says round square.
Josefa, I think you need to find
I
new
said
place.
it by accident.
New
I
place
said-
of employment.
I
to
don't.
find.
No, don't
Yeah.
colonize me, daddy.
Yeah.
I think I actually really like round table conference.
Yeah.
I feel like that.
Guys, let's also talk about something other than what we'll call this podcast. Because when you're seeing it and if you're seeing it, you will.
Yeah. Well, I think, yeah.
Okay.
So
Couches and why are beds better?
Anyways,
something more appropriate. What kind of music do you guys like?
I like the saddest fucking shit. And then the problem is every sad song is like a fucking love song. I don't love nobody. But like I wanna listen to something that will make me cry. And if it happens to be somewhere where somebody broke somebody's heart, how is it my fault? Every time I'm in a car, I play my song, everybody shut me down. It's not my fault every sad song is a love song. I am not hurting.
I would like to believe otherwise, boss. This whole monologue also says otherwise. You want to talk, man?
No, fuck you guys go. What music you like?
I listen to like really lo-fi, mellow stuff like indie pop, something, you know, something along those lines. But I listen to all kinds of stuff.
Give me a
That's all I
song example. तो मुझे बेहतर समझ आया because मुझे genre से
like. You go. I'm thinking of a song. You go. I'm thinking-
I'll go for anything that can get my head popping a little bit. You know, so I kind of like to vibe with music. So I can have a random ass metal phase and listen to that for like 2-3 months straight. Currently I do a lot of hip hop and that just really goes with my style right now. I listen to it all the time. You guys hate me for it.
I have a
But
question
like I've
for
also
you.
had like random beach mein folk music ke wo, where I've listened to just like really old Eastern classical music for like months on end. So it's weird the kind of music I like. Beach mein phir aise gore bhi aa jate hain, but not that often.
How much do you love rap? Like how much?
Quite a lot.
So if there was like a music genre you couldn't live without, what would it be? Rap or hip hop?
So I'd like, so basically rap is like, it's not exclusively hip hop. Rap lies outside of hip hop as well. Some non-hip hoppers also do rap, like satire rap hota hai, illegal peer वगैरह जो आके जाता है, पहले करता था, अब तो I think he's trying to be like a proper hip hopper. So I don't want to offend him if that wasn't my goal, but like ऐसे outside of वो भी rap करते हैं. If I want to live with a genre, I'd choose hip hop because that's more encompassing.
Got it. उसमें भी कुछ raps आ
Yeah,
जाते हैं.
उसमें like it's not just about वो ना. So basically कुछ raps होते हैं that is just talking about the struggle, which is a different genre to it. कुछ raps हैं they're talking about love, which you don't like, but कुछ raps they're also talking about something as a general, like whatever the fuck उनके दिमाग में उस दिन आया. They're called freestyle. तो उसमें they don't need to have a theme, they don't need to have a particular message. They'll just flex their rhyme skills. Sometimes that can be fun, like you vibes along, you know. But yeah, the reason why I really got into it was kind of, I guess the reason why a lot of people listen to it is because some artists have a really captivating way of telling about their life and the struggles they've been through. And अगर कहीं आप relate कर पाते हो उनसे, so that just kind of becomes your zone. वही आपको motivate भी करता है. When you're feeling down, you kind of want to listen to that and get a little bit of solace. I don't know.
I get it. I think I understand. I think जो तुम्हारा rap के साथ है, I have a very similar thing, but it is with something that is the complete opposite. It is with anime soundtracks.
I saw that coming.
Anime soundtracks, okay.
So you know, like you said, oh, you know, Sunta, like it comes to a time in your life and you hear it and you're just like, oh, yeah, let's listen to it. Same thing, but with anime soundtracks.
Yeah.
Don't you also listen to anime
yeah,
soundtracks?
but-
Fucking loser! You speak.
To go back to the song that I was gonna give, yeah, who's the band? You know the 13 reasons why का lead banda.
Oh, the guy who plays Clay?
Yeah. And so he has a band and he released a song. I think it's Will You Tell the Truth so I Don't Have to Lie. That's a line in the song, I don't know the title, but I love that song. And then something between that, the Bleachers, and SYML is where my music taste lies. But I also listen to Hassan Rahim. I also listen to metal songs, rap songs. I listen to like a lot of
What's a
stuff.
song you couldn't live without?
Right now,
Yeah.
it is. So it changes every 5 days. It changes. Right now, it is Dope
Okay, make
by
up your
Manu and Tahaji.
मैं तो आंखें बंद करता हूँ, groove है मेरा groove.
Bro, groove mera.
Every fucking
I don't know what it is about it.
Fucking weird.
I really like it.
I think that's a
I think ये लोग थोड़ा worried हो रहे हैं. वो शायद हमारी बैटरी कम है या टाइम कम है. रैप अप की तरफ आते हैं boys. And girls and people.
Of all genders.
Yeah. But
This chat masala intro, no?
yeah.
नहीं मैंने boys बोला था, मैंने क्यों बोला boys? बाकी लोग भी.
Yeah,
I mostly want non-boy on me.
Yeah,
And I yes ended.
I actually use boy as a very gender neutral term. In some sense,
Same.
But like
I mean, boys is still, but I mean everybody in the room.
Yeah.
I don't mean like
like
specifically
I will
boys.
call my cat boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where it goes to.
Yeah. But anyways, this was hopefully the first episode of this. We are not the only 3 faces you will be looking at in this podcast. You guys already know about the other Cactus members. Shuffle करते जाएंगे. कभी जो फारिग होगा या जो उस वक्त उस टॉपिक के लिए रेलेवेंट होगा वो आगे बात कर लेगा. ये पीछे से हिलाने के साइन दे रहा है, इसका पता नहीं क्या मतलब है.
क्यों है
इधर? But on that note, see you in another episode.